Volume of a hemisphere. How much volume of water will fill a hemispheric tank of diameter 6 meters? To solve this problem, the first thing that will be done is to find the radius of the hemispheric tank. So we have r equals radius, and radius equals half of diameter. To get the radius, we are going to be multiplying this half by the actual diameter of the hemispheric tank, which is 6 meters. So we'll have it as 1/2 times 6. To solve this type of multiplication, what will be done first is to divide 6 by 2. So we'll say 2 into 2 will give you 1, and 2 into 6 will give you 3. Now you are left with 1 times 3. 1 times 3 equals 3. So your radius is 3 meters. The next step is to find the volume of water. The volume of water equals the volume of a solid hemisphere of radius 3 meters. The 3 meters we have here represents half of the actual diameter of the hemispheric tank, that is 6 meters. Since we are still working with half, we are going to have half times the volume of a solid hemisphere. So we have 1/2 times the volume of a solid hemisphere as 4/3 pi r cube. We now have it as 1/2 times 4/3 times 22/7 times 3 cube. To multiply everything together, we'll say 1 times 4. That will give us 4. 4 times 22 equals 88. So we have 88 here. 88 times 3 cube. 3 cube is also the same thing as 3 times 3 times 3. And when you multiply 3 times 3 times 3, you get 27 over 2 times 3 times 7. That equals 42. When you multiply 88 by 27, you will get 2376 over 47. What we'll do next is divide using 3. 3 into 42 gives you 14, and 3 into 2376 gives you 792. Now we divide using 2. 2 into 14 gives you 7, and 2 into 792 gives you 396. So we now have 396 over 7. But this isn't how we'll leave the answer. So we'll convert it into a mixed fraction. And when you convert 396 over 7 into a mixed fraction, your answer becomes 56 whole number 4/7. Therefore, the total answer is 56 whole number 4/7 meters cube.